What's going on, guys? Welcome back at my channel. I want to show you a little bit today how is life on a fishing charter, fishing for choka. So basically what happens is you get this likies, stand inside your likey and you catch a hell of a lot of fish through it. There's your freezer pans, there's a big fridge. You get down into the fridge, pack the choka. There's some more likies. And over here at the back of me, you get your big drum chain for the sea anchor there in front. There's an anchor there in front. There's your crew cabin. You get a small space to sleep in. A very, very small space. Two entrances to it. There's your big wheelhouse where the captain sits inside and the mate. Then we can go around to the back of the boat. So here's where you store your food, like your vegetables and so on. Vegetables, so potatoes, pumpkins, onions. And inside this one is where you store all your canned foods, your bully beefs and sweet corn and whatever. There's another fishing spot, some trash. Now this is the toilet. This is not comfortable at all. You can't even close the door when you go to number 1 or 2. You'll bump your knees on the door. Now I'm going to show you the galley. The galley is quite small as well. Now there's your galley. Chef said he cleaned it, but doesn't look clean to me. But anyway, so yeah, that's a galley for you. It's supposed to be a kitchen. You come back around this side again, get your fishing spots. Eating, drinking. So basically I'm showing you how the fishing charter boats looks on itself and so on. Working conditions is not always lacquer, it's hard work. Living conditions on it is absolute shit sometimes, especially because of the sleeping space you've got and the toiletry area there. So yeah, otherwise it's quite fun. So if you're into fishing and commercial fishing, that's the thing for you. So yeah, if you're a woman, you're gonna work a lot amongst a lot of guys. I don't think you'll love that a lot, so enjoy.